Hello children, in this video we are going to learn triangle chapter exercise 2.3 11th sum and the 12th sum. First we'll see the 11th sum now. We'll see the question first. In figure 2.40, they given the number for the figure in the textbook. E is a point on the side. E is a point on the side. CB produced. They given the diagram also here. Produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. Here ABC is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides of a triangle are equal. Here in the triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC they have given. If AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFC. We want to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFC. Sorry, it is not a D. Sorry, it is not a C, it is D. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Means I'll show you those which two triangles are similar. We want to prove this triangle ABD and this one EFC, this triangle. We want to prove those two triangles are similar here. For that, we have to consider those two triangles. To prove those two triangles are similar, we have to consider those two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle EFC. Triangle EFC. See, in both the triangle, this is a common angle. Sorry, for this triangle it is not a common. And then you can say this is 90 degree now here. In triangle ABC, D is 90 degree. At the point D, 90 degrees there. In triangle EFC, at the point F, 90 degrees there. So I can write that. In triangle ABD, ADB is equal to, in triangle EFC, here it is 90 degrees. So angle EFC is equal to 90 degree. One angle is equal, we proved. Now one more thing you observe, what they have given in the question. AB is equal to AC. In the triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. In an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle. So here AB equal to AC means angle opposite to, here these two sides are equal means these two angles are equal, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So I can write angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is in a triangle ABD and angle C is in a triangle EFC. So these two angles are equal, I can write it. So ABD is equal to angle ECF. What is the reason for that? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This theorem you already learnt in 9th standard. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, in both the triangles, two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of the other triangle. By AA criteria, we can say these two triangles are similar. Therefore, ABD is similar to triangle EFC. Next, we'll see the next sum. Now, we'll see the 12th question. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of a triangle PQR. In figure, show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here what they have given, that one we'll see first. Solution we'll see, and what they have given you will. Here they are given the diagram also, triangle ABC and PQR. They are saying sides ABBC and median AD of a triangle ABC are proportional to PQ. Means AB is proportional to PQ. BC is proportional to QR, and DM AD is proportional to PM in a triangle PQR, they are saying. So what they have given here, that one we will write first. Given that if the sides are proportional means we can write them in the ratio form. So AB is proportional to, means AB and PQ are corresponding sides. So AB divided by PQ is equal to BC. BC is corresponding to QR. So QR is equal to AD by PM. This one they have given. We want to prove triangle ABC. Full triangle is proportional to PQR. We want to prove. So for that, and here they are saying AD is a median of a triangle ABC and PM is a median of a triangle PQR. Always median will divide the opposite side of the triangle into two equal parts. Means D is dividing BC into two equal parts. Means here BD is equal to DC, and in this triangle PM will divide the opposite side into two equal parts. Means QM is equal to MR. So by that, here in this what they have given here, no, just in place of BC I will multiply and divide QR in this equation. In the next step I'll write that AB by PQ is equal to half of BC divided by half of QR. AD by PM. This one as it is I am writing. I am multiplying and dividing half. If you are doing what you are doing in the numerator, if you multiply to denominator also, nothing make difference here. You can do like this. So half of BC we can write BD. In the next step I'll write that AB divided by PQ is equal to half of BC is BD divided by half of QR is QM I will take, is equal to AD divided by PM. You can take DC also, but I am taking BD here. You're convenient. Whatever you want, you can take, and you have to prove the result. Next, now you observe AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. These all the three sides AB, BD and AD. AB, BD and AD are the sides of a triangle ABD, and PQ, QM and PM are the sides of the triangle PQM. Their corresponding sides are proportional, means we can say these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by yes. All the three sides of a ABD triangle is proportional to all the three sides of a PQM triangle. So we can say these two triangles are similar now. If these two triangles are similar means all the three angles of a triangle ABD are equal to all the three angles of a triangle PQM. Therefore, I can write angle B is equal to angle Q by corresponding angles of similar triangle. Similar triangle. Now what we want to prove here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. No, those two triangles you have to consider now. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, see already one result we got it now, that we can write B is equal to angle Q. It is already proved. You write it. Now one more thing they have given here. See here actually one angle is equal we proved. One more thing, either two sides are proportional or one more angle is equal we want to prove. But already we know that see AB is a side of a triangle ABC and PQ is a side of a triangle PQR, and BC also, and this angle is equal. So AB divided by these two ratios you have to take what they have given. These two, AB divided by PQ is equal to BC by QR. AB divided by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Two sides are proportional and one angle is equal. See these two sides are proportional. In this triangle, these two sides are proportional and this angle is equal. Two sides are, and including angles, are equal. So by SAS we can say, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by ABC. It is okay. By SAS means two sides are proportional and one angle is equal. This is a question we proved here. In the next video, we will solve the next sums of the exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.